Welcome to the Property Code. I am your host, Nick. Today, we tackle one of the most coveted segments in real estate, entering the world of luxury property investment. I will guide you through the mindset shifts, market knowledge, and strategic steps required to succeed at the high end of the market. A year ago, Aisha worked as a healthcare executive and held a long-time fascination with upscale homes. She admired breathtaking views, custom finishes, and unique architectural designs. Yet, she never imagined luxury real estate could be accessible to someone without an inheritance or a high-profile network. Then she discovered that by combining research, networking, partnership structures, and precise financial planning, anyone with discipline and vision could step into this arena. Her journey began with deep market research. She selected an established metropolitan area known for high net worth residents and stable price appreciation. She studied neighborhoods where average home values exceeded $1.2 million. She reviewed sales histories to identify streets with consistent turnover and strong year-over-year price growth of at least 4%. She subscribed to specialized listing services to receive early notifications on forthcoming luxury properties and off-market opportunities. Next, she built her professional network. She attended invitation-only real estate gatherings, connected with top brokers, interior designers, and property managers who specialized in luxury estates. She offered to collaborate by sharing her expertise in healthcare real estate analysis and, in exchange, gained introductions to potential investors and sellers. Over time, she attended dozens of open houses and broker events, learning to read the subtle cues that distinguished a truly premium property: high ceilings, natural light orientation, high-end building materials, and architectural pedigree. With market insight and relationships in place, Aisha identified her first deal, a 4,000 square foot townhouse in an upscale district listed at $3 million. She knew she needed strategic capital deployment. Instead of seeking a large mortgage on her own, she formed a limited liability partnership with two like-minded investors. Each contributed a third of the down payment, allowing them to place 20% down and secure favorable mortgage terms. By structuring the partnership with clearly defined roles, one partner managed renovation, another oversaw leasing and events, and Aisha handled financial reporting. They aligned strengths and minimized individual risk. The townhouse required a thoughtful refresh rather than full renovation. They invested roughly $100,000 in designer finishes, smart home automation, and professional staging. The improvements elevated the property's appeal and enabled them to set a nightly short-term rental rate that generated a yield of approximately 5% on overall cost. They also hosted private events and photo shoots to showcase the space, earning additional income. As the partnership matured, they monitored key performance metrics: occupancy rates for short-term rentals, net operating income per month, and long-term resale projections. Within 18 months, property values in the area had increased by an average of 6%. Their combined net proceeds exceeded initial projections by 20%, validating their strategy. To replicate this success, follow these steps. First, select a luxury market with stable demand, price growth, and demographic tailwinds such as international buyer interest or emerging business hubs. Second, immerse yourself in that market through data, listings, and personal tours. Third, cultivate a network of specialized professionals, brokers, designers, lenders, and managers who understand the nuances of high-end transactions. Fourth, structure your capital intelligently via partnerships, syndications, or private funds to meet liquidity and lending requirements. Fifth, identify value-add opportunities, renovations, tailored marketing, or experiential income streams such as events and short-term rental. Entering luxury real estate demands patience, capital discipline, and a collaborative mindset. The rewards can include significant equity gains, diversified income sources, and the prestige of owning some of the world's finest residences. By following a systematic approach and leveraging partnerships, you can transform aspiration into tangible success. Thank you for listening to The Property Code. If today's episode inspired your move into luxury real estate, subscribe, leave a review, and share it with ambitious peers. Until next time, think big, plan strategically, and invest with intention.